Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today I want to show you an extension that you can add to your Google Chrome to help blur out things if you're wanting to show in videos. You've probably seen several of my videos where I'm showing websites that have sensitive information that need to be blurred. And this is how I do it. I've got to give a shout out to Rob of Oink because he's the one that showed that to me. So go to your Chrome web store like I'm showing here, and it's called ZeroBlur. Click on this extension and add it to Chrome. And what this does is this is a free app, free extension that you can add on to your Google Chrome. Once you have that on, you're going to pin it to the top here. So you go to extensions and then just pin it to the top. And that way, whenever you need it, it's ready to go. And then when you go to here's my storefront, for example, if you need to blur out something, so you're going to click on this and click enable blur, and it will, if you've used blur on that site before, it will bring up the previous things. Like here, I've got my zip code blurred out, but let's say I wanted to blur out my store name, then I can click on that. And it will box different sections really easily. So you can, I need to do this whole line or this whole column, and it will move when you are, with you. So if you're just, let's say we want to do this trending picks because we can't show that or whatever, then it will stay as you move as you scroll through the page. You can also do, you can draw a section. So let's say you need to do a custom section. You can, let's say I want to just do this. Now, when you do a custom section though, that it scrolls with it as well. So just keep that in mind. If you're going to be bringing stuff up the bottom, keep it going. You can, I haven't done this text. Oh, maybe, I don't know what that does. And then once you're done, once you have all the things, you're going to want to do this before you start recording. Once you have all the things blurred out that you want to on the different pages, so you can change it. As you go to the different tabs, you can add the different blurs to different tabs. So it's going to look different ways. Once you're finished, you're going to hit this X, and then you're ready to record. And then now you can see stuff is blurred, and that way you're not having to do it in post edit or anything like that. And it just makes it super, super easy. Just remember to do it before you start recording because it does make it a lot easier to have that blurred out and get that set up before you start recording or showing your screen. This works if you are doing a live Zoom as well. But again, you would want to have that set up prior. And it's going to be on whatever you're showing on your screen within Google Chrome. So hope this helps. And again, it's called ZeroBlur in your Google Chrome extensions store. So enjoy. Happy blurring.